All right, in my 2018 Dodge Charger SXT Plus, down here looking for the factory amplifier, looking through all these wires and harnesses, and couldn't quite find to see it until I look at it. There goes the black box. See it? That box right there, right here. That's your factory amplifier. Yep. And hooking up my aftermarket harness, plug and play by data link. This is the 4-channel harness. So sorry about that. As you can see, I hooked it up, took the harness out of the factory amp, plugged this up. Now I'm going to run these wires here to my aftermarket unit, but still keeping the factory radio. As you can see, I don't want to change it out. So just in case you had a clue of where's the factory amplifier, just giving it to you, ladies and gentlemen, on this good old Sunday evening. Thank you.